yeah, Hoovie was wrong. I mean, it's a great vehicle. It's one of the smoothest vehicles on off-road territory that you can find. I mean, it'll get on the highway and run smooth. There's just not a lot of vehicles like this in the $7,000 to $10,000 price range that'll really do this out here. Yeah, the maintenance costs can be a little more, but you're saving on depreciation overall, so it's still overall a way better deal. So that's where I feel like Hoovie's wrong. It's a great value vehicle. Yeah, you might spend a little bit more money on maintenance, but you're getting a better vehicle. Look at the plush interior you're getting. It's a $7,000 to $10,000 vehicle. Things about these Range Rovers, which you're going to pay the price. The fuel mileage is not that good. I don't really hammer on this. I do try to baby it, and yes, right now it's saying I'm getting an average of 12.9 miles per gallon. This is one of the smoothest highway vehicles that you will ever ride in. The automatic air ride suspension levels out, keeps it from being top heavy, also helps with the ride. You don't feel the little tiny bumps in the road from the construction. And from 80, she'll pull very nice and smooth for a non-supercharged engine. Hoovies Garage can say that the Range Rover is a bad purchase. Yeah, maybe if you don't know about cars, maybe if you don't want to feel like doing the research. I mean, a lot of the little problems that Range Rovers have, there's a website, there's blogs, there's forums, there's places to look. There's answers now. It's not 20 years ago where you couldn't find answers. You have answers to all the little problems. There are people that have experienced these small problems and they've come up with cheap solutions for them. So that's one reason why the Range Rover is a good overall choice. Like I said, Hoovie's wrong. I mean, it's an excellent vehicle. It's a $7,000 vehicle that was once probably a $70,000 sticker. To get one brand new today, you're well over $100,000. Does it make sense? $100,000 Range Rover doesn't make sense to me, but a $7,000 one, I think I'll take my chance.